ever walked into my kitchen or had a look through the cupboard, you'll find that one of the things that I collect a lot of are old jars, old tins, just pretty much anything that I can reuse for another project, especially since I make a lot of my products from scratch, things like apple cider vinegar, my own skincare products, so I like to keep a large variety of bottles, jars and tins. Problem is that sometimes when I get these secondhand, they tend to be covered in labels or that horrible sticky residue which is a nightmare to get off without a ton of hot water, washing up liquid and a scouring pad. But there is a slightly easier version that I wanted to share with you today. All you need is a citrus essential oil. I've used a grapefruit essential oil in the past, but my favourite is lemon just because I find that so far that's the best one that I've found. What you want to do is put a few drops over the area. You're going to let it sink in for a few minutes, or a few seconds realistically, and you should be able to peel the top layer of paper completely off. Then add a few more drops and rub it in with your fingers or with a cloth, and within less than 30 seconds the whole bottle should be spotless. If you rub it with your finger, it's quite cool because you can actually feel it start to disintegrate and break up into little easy pieces. Go over it with a cloth and then that's it, you're done. I especially like this trick because if I have a nice tin with a beautiful pattern on it, the last thing I want to be doing is scrubbing away with it with some wire wool and ruining the pattern. With this, I can just add a few drops, rub it in for a few seconds, wipe it away, and everything's clean, beautiful, and ready to use again.